Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com, a 100% free service for smart investors and traders. All we ask in return, please refer a friend. Today is Thursday, September the 12th, 2013. We covered in pretty good detail several different charts yesterday, so if you're interested in U.S. market charts or Europe, you can check out yesterday's video. Today, I want to look at the PowerShares DB US Dollar Index Bullish Fund, basically looking at the US dollar here. And you can see in this particular chart, we have a zone. Let me draw it out like this. Right tools. Basically, this little support zone right down here. And we're bouncing off of that, right? So you can see this bounce here, and this bounce here, and here, and then here, and then right now we're pulling back down to it. We're getting hammer candlestick formation there, and gives us the black arrow telling us to watch for confirmation. We can have a move back to the upside here, and I'm looking for that move to the upside because we have this high point here, and that was a series of lower highs, high point, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, higher high. So we're starting to see a change here. And so what I want to do here is simply just look at that situation here, and then this low point here, and this current low point here, and we see we're trending up as well. So this is all something that would indicate uptrend shift, basically from the bounce pullback, and then now it's shifting around to the uptrend again. So this is something that you could be looking at on the long side, and I would be looking for a test of this high here. You can see this big gap as well. Clean that up a little bit. Alright, other things that you can see looking at this chart, you can see at this point in time, come down here, we close below the 50-period moving average, then we hit resistance, that turns bearish situation, resistance again, and now we close above it. Again, that would be this sign of a change that you're seeing from a bearish perspective to a bullish perspective. Also want to point out that during this time period, you were seeing your peaks at that point we talked about. When you're in a bearish market, you'll often peak out before you hit the 70 line. You'll peak out the 60, 65 line, and that's what you're seeing in this time period here. And so the situation turns, like we're seeing with price activity happening here, then you'll see us run up here like so, again above that 70 line again. So that's something again that we'll be looking for, another move up here like so. I also want to point out, whenever you're looking for your entry opportunities in a bullish situation, the best opportunities will be found in a bullish uptrend at or below the 50-period moving average, that red line right here. So in the situation here, we're well below that. That looks like a good spot. Also, your ultimate oscillator down here at the 30 line, that's again indicating an oversold, and where you would look for your bounces to happen again and again and again. So I would again, at this situation, be watching this for a possible bullish move. If you're looking for any of the videos I've uploaded, I put them out nightly. If you go here to the market section, not the market analysis videos, and watch whichever one you'd like to see. Like I said, yesterday we did several on the major markets, and we talked about the consolidation that we anticipated would come. It meant some seller pressure that's going to develop. That's fine. We had that today. That makes a lot of sense to us there. Also, if you want to look at the charts individually, my personal short-term or long-term charts, you can go here to the market chart section. My notes are posted on them nightly. Okay. If you dive into the free website at PerfectStockAlert.com, it's right there. It's 100% free, and all we ask in return, please refer a friend. God bless. Take care. See you in tomorrow's video. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The information provided herein is our opinion only. Under no circumstances do any statements here represent a recommendation to buy or sell securities or make any kind of an investment. You are responsible for your own due diligence. To summarize, we do not provide investment advice, nor do we make any claims or promises that any information here will lead to a profit, loss, or any other result. These videos are for educational purposes only.